A very warm welcome to one and all present here, respected judges, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am here to present an elocution on the topic Importance of AI in Education. Today we have access to internet, smartphones, computers, and all other digital devices. AI enhances us with its personalized learning experience. This smart class setup offering access to the virtual reality learning experiences which is really beneficial for students. No doubt, books are a great source for learning and education, but AI enhances its overall experience with the personalized learning which is greatly beneficial for students. Not only for students, but also teachers are greatly beneficial by the platform of AI. AI can also assist us in personalized learning experience and also in data writing and also in content creation. AI tools and platforms should be embraced as the tools for learning because the world is increasingly digitalized and dependent on the technology. I hope that all of you liked my presentation on the topic Importance of AI in Education. Thank you and have a nice day.